Cleaning your sofa is an important chore. But how should you go about this? One effective way to clean your sofa is wet cleaning. This uses water, detergent, and extraction to clean the upholstery fabric. So how does it work? Let's learn more about it here today. To start, your sofa is pre-treated to remove stains. A cleaning solution is then sprayed in to remove the dirt. Afterwards, it's quickly extracted with a suction. This results in a thorough clean and a faster drying time. Lastly, a protectant solution is applied to deodorize the sofa. So what are some benefits to using this cleaning method for your sofa? First, wet cleaning removes embedded stains better than dry cleaning does. It also eliminates dust mites, pet dander, and other allergens. Wet cleaning can remove the bad odors caused by bacteria and mold. If done correctly, this cleaning method will leave no residue behind on the upholstery. But wet cleaning still has its limits. If you don't do it correctly, you could damage the sofa. It's important to use it on the right fabric. If you don't, you could risk damaging the upholstery. You could cause the fabric to shrink or get discolored. The sofa also takes longer to dry out completely before you can use it again. So while wet cleaning is a great way to clean a sofa, it's not the only way to do it. If you need someone who can clean your sofa with the right method, book our upholstery cleaning services today. Our expert cleaners are always ready to help with your housekeeping needs.